Hello everyone, just like I said in the last video that I made, I am going to be showing you how to add USDT into your MetaMask. And then after adding USDT into your MetaMask, after showing you the process on how to do that, I am going to show you step-by-step way on how to add some funds or buy some tokens, USDT tokens, directly into this Phantom wallet. Okay, so I noticed that there are no much concise guide online on how to go about this, so I've decided to dedicate my time to do this, to show you people how to, the proper way to add USDT to your Phantom wallet. Okay, so if you're new in the channel, kindly ensure you subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications so that whenever I'm dropping the next video, you're always going to be updated. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing to do to add USDT into your Phantom wallet is to go to CoinMarketCap. Okay, so if you don't have CoinMarketCap, I expect that you go to Play Store and download CoinMarketCap. So I already have CoinMarketCap in my phone already downloaded. So here is the app. Here is the app. Okay, so go to Play Store or Apple Store and download the app CoinMarketCap. Okay, so as soon as you download it, you open it. It's still available on Play Store and also Apple Store. Just go to your search bar on your stores and type CoinMarketCap. It's going to pop up. Then download it into your phone and then open it. Okay, so as soon as it opens, you have to come to where you have USDT right here. You have to go to where you have USDT right there. Then type USDT. Okay, then as soon as you type USDT, it's going to load up USDT right here. You can see this is USDT. I'm going to tap on it, USDT Tether. Okay, so it's going to load up this page right now. So as soon as it loads up this page, go ahead and swipe this to the left. Okay, you swipe it over to the left so that I can draw look at what I'm doing right here. Okay, now you have to, after swiping it, now go to where you have this about. Okay, you tap on it, just tap on it. Then as soon as you tap on it, just scroll down to where you have this contract right here. You tap on it. Okay, you tap on this contract. Then this is going to load up all the various network on USDT. Okay, so here is the Solana. I'm going to be copying this address, the one that is on Solana. Okay, this particular one is what I am going to be copying, so I'm just going to click right here and copy it. So as soon as I've copied it, I'll now head back to my Phantom wallet. And after this is my Phantom wallet. Now after heading to my Phantom wallet, I'll just scroll down to where you have look up to where you have this search bar right here. You tap on it. Okay, now as soon as you tap on it, just go ahead and paste that USDT address right here. Here you can see that it has popped out because I've already added some USDT and sold out. Okay, so here, if you are doing it for the first time, you just have to go ahead and paste that that address that we copied from CoinMarketCap right here. I hope that is clear enough. So you tap on it. So as soon as you tap on it, you have to search it. You have to search, click on search, and it is still gonna load up. Okay, just give it some time to load up the token. Good, you can see the token has just loaded up right here. You can see it has just loaded up right here. Okay, so you tap on it. Now as soon as you tap on it, it's going to load up this. Okay, it's going to load up this main page. Now you can now go ahead and copy the address. Okay, you can now go ahead and copy the address. I hope that is clear enough. So what you do is now is to come here, click on this buy right here. Okay, and as soon as you click on this buy right here, you can decide to buy the USDT. Okay, you can now decide to buy or purchase the USDT. So when you tap on this click right here, so now you can now decide to purchase the USDT. Okay, so here you can see the various payment method. When you click right here to show you the various payment method. All right, now you can now decide to buy the USDT or purchase the USDT either from you can now select the amount. First of all, you select the amount. Then after selecting the amount, now you can now select the payment method that you want to be using to pay. Okay, so you click on where you have, as soon as you've selected your payment method, you can now go ahead and use either the Binance P2P to buy it, or use your dollar card to purchase it. Okay, use your dollar card to purchase it. All right, but in case you don't want to purchase it right here, you don't want to buy the USDT straight up from the Phantom wallet, what you are going to be doing is just to copy. In case you don't want to buy the USDT straight up from your Phantom wallet, what you are going to be doing is just to head over to where you have this, just to head over just to click on where you have this Solana. Okay, in case you don't want to buy, like I said, in case you don't want to buy any Solana directly from your Phantom, but you want to add from another exchange, you just have to come to this Solana. Okay, as soon as you head over to this Solana right now, you come to where you have this receive button right here. You come to where you have this receive button right here, you tap on it. Okay, now as soon as you tap on it, you now head over to here where you have this copy. You go there and tap on it. All right, now you have just successfully copied the Solana address. Now after copying this Solana address, now let's say I want to go to an exchange, like I want to go to Bitget to go and send some USDT into this particular Phantom wallet. Now go to USDT. Okay, now let's head over to USDT. Let's head over to Bitget wallet or Bitget exchange. So here is my Bitget exchange. I will just click on where you have this wallet right here. You tap on it, and as soon as you tap on it, you now come over to where you have this withdraw right here. Okay, you tap on it. Now as soon as you tap on it, it's going to load up this. Go ahead and tap on where you have this on-chain withdrawal. Tap on it. Now you allow it load. Ensure while you're doing this your network is stable. Okay, now you come over here and type USDT right here. You type USDT. Now if you type USDT, it's going to load up. It's going to pop out right here. You can see mine has just popped out because I have typed it before. So I'll just tap on it. So as soon as you tap on it, you now come over here and paste. You come over here and paste that Solana address that you copied from your Phantom right here. Okay, you paste that Solana address right here. So as soon as you paste that Solana address right there, come over here and select the withdrawal network. Now the withdrawal network you are going to be selecting, you want to send your USDT, is going to be on Solana. Okay, so you come over here and select this particular Solana network. Okay, because we want to be sending the USDT on Solana network into our Phantom wallet. Okay, so you come over here and select this one. I hope this is clear enough. So you tap on it. So as soon as you tap on it, now you now come over here and select the amount that you want to be sending. You input the amount that you want to be sending. As soon as you input the amount you want to be sending, if you need to have some little funds in your exchange. Okay, so as soon as after inputting it, you come over here and click on this withdrawal. So as soon as you click on this withdrawal right here, it is going to load up in the next page for you to confirm that you want to transfer the token. So after transferring, clicking on confirm and confirming the transactions, it is going to send automatically to your Phantom wallet. So you are going to see your 50 USDT straight into your Phantom wallet. I hope that is clear enough. Now that is how you transfer or add any token to your Phantom wallet. If you have any question that you want to ask or any other thing you want to know, drop it at the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.